Soldering is a necessary thing that you need to complete your electronics work. In order to solder, you need a soldering iron, a solder wire, and a flux. Here I'm not showing you flux, but today I'm going to tell you the disadvantages of soldering. Here, soldering produces a lot of smokes, which is very bad for your health. Yeah, this smoke can cause cancers, headache, sensation loss, the sensation of eye, and many more problems. So there is a remedy for it. You can have a fan, a DC fan, that you can find in your supply box, and a power supply of 12 volt and 1 ampere. So here I have a 12 volt and 1 ampere, uh, 1 amperes adapter. So I'm now going to plug this into it, jack, female jack, and connect it with the fan, positive with the positive, positive, and negative with negative. So now just put it there. It starts to now it's start to blow. It is throwing air this side. So put it aside here and and when you do this, then all the smoke goes out. See, let me show you again. All the smoke is going out, and like this you can save your health, also wealth.